Here's some of this old eastbound in the gorge. I-40. I'm on the North Carolina side about mile marker 2. We just easing along through here. Maybe I'll give you guys a glimpse of the guys and girls that's with us. Maybe I can give you guys a little glimpse here. Turn this thing around where you can see him. GoPro is on. There they go. Lean with it, rock with it, inside the gorge. Give you some of this tunnel action. And the tunnel. It's hard for me to go through a tunnel and not hit their horn. That's the crew. That's the first leg. Mr. Thompson and them left already, so they should be in front of us. Let me get that down so you can hear me. If Mr. Thompson and his lovely wife is in front of us, then here we are. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 5 of us. There's about 4 more leaving from Knoxville tomorrow morning. And Woody's already down there. He's camping out on the beach today and maybe tomorrow. Triple D is already down there, his lovely wife. Stick Pin and his lovely wife, they should be on their way down there today. Who else? Oh, Marcus Grant. He should be down there somewhere. I got to get in touch with him, see if he's still coming. But we are headed that way. Just getting a little bit of glimpse of this old gorge up here. And the crew. First day. This is the first leg. I think it's Friday the 22nd. Look how old Lone Wolf is leaning that curve. Lone Wolf is hugging him, boy. Hooking. Hooking. I'll get on up here in a minute. There they go. Get this thing spun around here. Yeah. That be the crew, y'all. They bring you up at the next stop. We are in Asheville, North Carolina. Normally, we're still on I-40 eastbound. We normally would hit on this 26 right here and head towards Henderson, Spartanburg. But there's a lot of delays on there. This is the way that we actually go down to work to get our load at Food Line. So I'm pretty familiar with the go around. We're gonna go around the exit 50 and get off and go down through the Biltmore. It's actually getting pretty doggone bad, as you can see on my GPS right here, it's red. So we'll go past this and do a little diversion. Here's what you gotta do, but I already knew this might be an issue, man, because it's pretty bad down through there. What? Look at this. Look at that there. I have no idea what he's doing, but I don't want no part of it there, right? We're gonna get off at exit 50 and go down by the Biltmore. There's a lot of backups back that way. I got my GPS going on the phone. Plus, we come down here every night anyway. I knew it was gonna be like it. And roger that. Yeah, if you ain't got no reason to. I think that camper ran that dude off the road. Them kayakers. Yeah, it is a little bit longer time, but I'm a day ahead. We just peeling around. But I know we're going to have to get some gas for Little Egypt here real soon, so this will be a good time to get some gas, use the bathroom, do what we need to do, and carry on. When I see them going to the left, I don't go because, you know, sometimes you got a truck, can't go where the cars go.
Yeah.
But I think we're going to try it.
I say, why not?
Like, we ain't the only ones trying it neither.
Be a bit adventurous.
Oh, I hope, see, I lean on your 40 years of experience.
Ooh, it's traffic on both sides.
Yeah, something going on both sides. And then once you get on the interstate right there, if you kept going straight, it's a back up. I don't know what side it's on though. It might be on the... No, it's on our side. Maybe we can catch this light. Everybody need to get it. That's a good light. Recon this thing. I know next time if I need to come down here in the truck now.
Wider than you thought.
Come down here, recon it, check some shit out.
Damn, they gonna be in line for a minute.
Oh, look at that. Something, as I said, that air interstate backed up, boy. That interstate's in bad shape. Ain't nothing wrong with a little country riding.
All right, let's
Oh, no.
speed this thing up a little
All right,
bit.
we at the first stop, a little longer than expected, but we had to get him some straps. That thing is bouncing like crazy. Yeah, we trying to get them dialed in here. That's why I always say stress test your equipment before you get out here on this road. Don't give a doggone, take 2 or 3 doggone trips, load it up to capacity, and try to get it dialed in, boy. All right, you locked in, I got you. When we get going, I'm gonna have you come in front so I can eyeball your setup there and see how, if it's bounced, if that did anything good, okay? Don't forget to hold that button down first and then talk, and then let it go.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.